Hi friends, what makes a website successful? Of course, a very good theme, and WP Themes channel presents wonderful WordPress themes for you. In this video, I have a dedicated theme for doctors and dentists. So if you have decided to make a website for yourself, for doctors and dentist activities, so this video is exactly for you. And this theme is Salute, and Salute is going to be a very good catch for the doctors or dentist website. So in this video we are going to install the Salute WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also preview the theme options and the customizations options to make a ready website for you. Just you need to put content at your end and your website will be ready to go. And if you are new on this channel, you may please subscribe this channel, because this channel brings wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. And you can also get the Salute theme by following the link of my website even in the description of this video, along with a pre-installed theme at your hosting package. So whatever you need, it is available at wpthemes.co.in website. And the Salute medical WordPress theme has been developed by WAMTAM developers, and they are of course a Power Elite authors, and they actually made wonderful themes. And the Salute WordPress theme is actually new. It was developed in last year only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. And the best thing with this theme that it uses Elementor as the page builder, and Elementor is now broadly being used for the as a page builder, and it is presenting actually successful websites throughout the world. And with the Salute theme, you are going to make a wonderful website for medical and doctors, dentist related services. And this theme is compatible with Revolution Slider and all great plugins of WordPress, and it is good that it uses Loco Translate, which fully supports multi-language, and multilingual plugin is also here. And you can use WooCommerce with this theme. That means you can use this theme for your e-commerce website activities, and this theme has wonderful features as well. So I'll definitely show you all the features in this video only. So if we talk about the demo website, this is the demo website of Salute WordPress theme, and it is really wonderful, and it has in fact two home pages. So I'll show you both. One is for doctors and other is especially for dentist, I believe. So these are the demos available in this theme, and this theme really presents a very clean and stunning look website. And you can of course use this theme for your medical and related services website, and it has got wonderful inner pages as well. So I'll show you one, and this is so this is one of the inner pages which has been specifically crafted as in a medical website, and this is the another home. So this is of course a wonderful theme, and you are going to be very satisfied, and you are going to get a wonderful website using this theme, of course. So this theme is available at WP Themes website, and link has been given. You can simply click on the magenta color button marked as Get Salute WordPress theme, and you shall be able to complete your order. Okay, fine. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default theme 2021 WordPress theme is installed, and the latest version of WordPress, of course, and the 5.7 WordPress version is here, and yes, 5.7 is the latest version as of now available. And I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have licensing plugins. Some plugins are here, so readme text, the main theme file and the child theme file. For installing the Salute WordPress theme, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose salute.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same directly in the WP content themes folder. I am uploading this here only, so I have chosen to upload directly on server, and the theme file size is actually very low, and it is a lightweight theme, and it is going to work fast on the website as well. So you are going to get a fast website using this theme, of course. So this is another advantage using of this theme. You are going to get the gift of speed, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, you can go back. It has been uploaded. And don't get confused, both the activities of uploading theme are same. You can either upload the theme through the WordPress interface or directly at your server. I have chosen to upload directly on server, so it has been uploaded. Now we can extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Salute folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here, so it is fine. And now we can delete the zip one. It is not required now, it is just consuming the server space. We have this theme and all its components in this folder only. So now we have to go in the theme section of WordPress again, and now we have Salute as medical for doctor, dentist. Okay, fine. So let us check the details. It is version 33. Okay, so amazing. It should be like 3.3, but it has been written by the developer. It is version 33, and the Salute medical for doctor, dentist, the ultimate niche WordPress theme for conferences and events. So a description is not correct, I believe. So it is the theme for the medical activities and doctor and dentist website. No worries, fine. We can activate it now. And the theme is already pre-activated, so we can move ahead, and it got landed on the welcome page of the Salute WordPress theme, and we can continue to required plugins at this stage. And these are the 3 plugins required for using this theme, and it has already pre-packed, and we can simply choose to install. And I have chosen to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, don't install all plugins in one go, it may cause error, and just install the plugin one by one. And if you are in plan for getting the hosting with the WP themes, I mean on this channel and connected website, you shall be getting the same capacity servers, so don't worry for that. And now we can proceed to demo content import. Here is the simple navigation button given, proceed to demo content import. And yes, so this theme requires Elementor Pro. If you don't have Elementor Pro, please download a Pro Elements plugin available here and install and activate it, and then proceed with Elementor importing numbers. Okay, fine. So we need another plugin simply, and Pro Elements. So this plugin is also available on the WP themes. If you actually need Elementor Pro, it is available on the wpthemes.co.in website. You can get this from here, but I have chosen to install the Elementor Pro Elements for Elementor. And first we should install the plugin as the screen is saying. So we will definitely install this plugin first, and go to the plugin and click on add new. Upload plugin, we have already downloaded, so it is in downloads. Pro Elements chip, install now. And the plugin has been installed, and now we can activate this. Okay, fine. So we have fulfilled the requirement of an additional plugin, that is Pro Elements for Elementor, and now the screen should be clear for importing the demo. Just refresh this. Okay, fine. So the alert is gone now, and now we can import the demo content. And since the plugin and theme itself has been installed, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme without any demo content. This is the look of Salute Medical WordPress theme, and at this stage we are going to import the dummy content to make a target website like this or this. So we have two target website, and we will definitely make this as it is. So okay, fine. So just click on import button, and the import process has been started, and it may take, in fact it may take up to, okay, so main content imported and images import in progress, and a screen is saying everything, how much time it will take, and the 39 images are remaining. It is going on, and it may take up to 5 to 10 minutes as I assume, and you have to be here without any refresh or leaving this page. Just wait and watch and let the process to be completed. Now import image progress all done, and what I assume, nothing is remaining, nothing is written here. So just we can simply check our website. If all is done, it should be here. Okay, so something good is loading, and yes, okay, how simple it was, and we have a wonderful website with us. It is really awesome, and we got all the contents here. Some images are missing, that is not a worry. So we are finally going to use our own images, in fact, and I believe yes, so both home pages has been given in the demo content itself, so you can choose any of the available demo as per your need and choice. And yes, it is really a great theme, and it is really working fast. So as we assumed, it is well optimized, and this is the nature of a Power Elite authors, and this is why always I recommend to use the themes from Power Elite authors only, and the Ventam are Power Elite authors, and they have actually a good code quality, and this code quality can make your website successful. And a fast loading website is actually a gift of speed, and you should have, of course you should have a fast loading website. If a website is not fast, it is nothing to bring anything. So speed is the only concern, and of course the design aspect should be very good, and this theme has all these fulfillments, so you can, of course you can choose this theme. And now since we have completed the installation of website, I will show you the theme options what we got in this installation. So what is additional here? Time is here, dashboard, install plugins, all has been used by us and it is nothing new now. Post media and all such things are here, appearance. So, and I believe the theme options has not been given in the left navigation, and we can go to the dashboard in fact, and nothing is here, and okay, fine. So we can see the customization option in the appearance, customize. I assume rest of things are here because nothing has been given in the left navigation. Okay, so it is here only, and global styles are here. In fact, you don't need any customization, all things are here only. Our global style options are now part of Elementor's global settings. So okay, fine. So this can be used as in the Elementor global setting, and site identity you can change the logo and rest of information from here, and menus, of course, page settings. Okay, additional CSS and additional JS is here, and rest of things are common. It is just a page, and you can simply use Elementor to edit the page. Just open that page, particular page which you want to edit, and for home page I will rather advise you to use a duplicate plugin and make a duplicate of at least home page, just like a backup of your page, just in case you make any mistake. If you are not expert in the Elementor, you may again restore the backup page, and this is going to save your hard times. Okay, fine. So you can simply click on edit with Elementor, and this will work fine. And Elementor loads bit slow while editing, but it does not matters. So we have to wait and watch until the page gets fully loaded for editing purpose. So okay, so it is here, and if you want to edit header, just click on edit header, and it will be available in the left navigation what you want to edit, and it is simple. Just click on the area which you want to edit and everything is fine. So click on pencil icon, the section will be active, and you might be aware about the right click option of the Elementor, and this is edit page. Simply click on the pencil icon, whatever you want to edit, and you will be simply able to edit the content, and you have to just replace your own content with removing the demo one and put your own content. Just click on it. It is here like this, and it is more than simple. Even a non-technical person can do this easily, so it does not require any specific technical knowledge in fact, and you will be good to do this at your own, and nothing is special in it, and I don't think I need to explain much about this. So it is fine, and now you will be able to make wonderful website using the Salute WordPress theme, and it is available. This theme is available on the wpthemes.co.in website. So just go there and follow the link given in the description. Go there and get this theme and start making your website and present a wonderful website to the World Wide Web and get a successful business using this theme. And don't forget to subscribe this channel if you are a first time visitor. You are going to get wonderful tips and plugins along with the theme for WordPress at this channel. So keep watching. Thank you.